My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2016 BMW 2 Series Convertible. This is the M Sport Edition. It has done just over 30,000 miles with an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature and our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control, automatic headlights and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access our key features, which include media and radio, telephone and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below the screen, we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. We have the choice of 4 different driving modes: Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro. We also have our roof latch, Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.